See what we can do with the 8s today. First off, we have the commutative property, which means the order that I multiply in does not matter. So 6 times 9, I just switch it around. 9 times 6 would be the same as 6 times 9. 92 times 8, switcheroo. 8 times 92. 13 times 24, switcheroo. 24 times 13. Q times W, they're variables, not numbers, but I'm still going to do the same thing, just switch the order. Q times W equals W times Q. 0 times anything is 0. 5 times 0, 0. 0 times 13, 0. 1 million times 0, still 0. 1 times any number is the other number, so 1 times 14 is 14. 23 times 1 is 23. 1 times 972 is 972. W times 1 is W. That's what the other number would be. In this case, it's a variable. Multiplied by 2s, I'm counting by 2s or doubling the other number. So 2 times 7, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Counted up 7 2s. 2 times 14, this looks like a good one for doubling the other number, which just means I'm adding it to itself. 4 plus 4 is 8, 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 times 14 is 28. Multiplying by 5s, I'm counting by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. And 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 5 times 8 is 40. When I'm multiplying by 3s, I like to use the 3 song. So 3 times 7, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. That would be 7 of them. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. 4 song. That was the one. Grab your oars, know your 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. And there I don't have to keep singing. To multiply by 8s, we have an 8 song that goes to Party Rock. Wait for the green 8 to stop spinning before you start to sing. So here's the 8s that we're learning today. I'm going to show you a whole bunch of them we already know. 8 times 0, well, 0 times anything is 0. 8 times 1, 1 times any number is the other number. 8 times 2, I'm doubling 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 8 times 3, 3 song. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. 8 times 4, 4 song. Grab your oars, know your 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. 8 times 5, count by 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. I think we just had that one on the previous page. Okay. The next 3, 8 times 6, 8 times 7, and 8 times 8 are 3 of the rhymes that we've had. But if I can't remember the rhymes, I can do them some other ways. Let me go back and get 8 times 6. So 8 times 6 means 8 6s or 6 8s. I would rather do 6 8s. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, instead of me counting and adding all those up, I'm going to cheat just a little bit, and I'm going to put 5 in a group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's really 5 times 8, which we just did right here. So this is 40 plus 8. Oh, 48. See if that works for 8 times 7. 8 times 7. I can make 8 7s or I can make 7 8s. I think I'm going to do 7 8s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Put 5 of them in a group. We know that's 40 because 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 2 is 16. I just need to add those together. 56. Let's go to 8 times 8. I really hope you would have this one memorized by now because it's 8 chubby 8 stuck in the door. 8 times 8 is 64. 8 times 9. I either need 9 8s or 8 9s. Your choice. I think I'm going to go the other way just to do something different. So I'm making 8 nines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because I already know I'm going to skip and put 5 of them together. So 5 times 9 is 45, and I got 3 times 9. I'm going to use the 3 song for that. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. I got a little bit of adding to do. 5 plus 7 is 12. Turn my 1. 5, 6, 7. So 8 times 9 is 72. And then 8 times 10, I'm going to count by 10s, and I'm getting 80. Okay. For these kind of problems, my strategy is to box both sides. So both sides of the equal sign get boxed. Equal means there's the same on both sides. So it's sort of like having a teeter-totter, a balance. Whatever's in the box on the left side, excuse me, must also be in the box on the right side. So 6 times 2 equals 12. So if this box over here on this side weighs 12, this box also has to weigh 12. So now I just need to figure out how many 4s do I need to get to 12. 4, 8, 12, 3 of them. Down here, same strategy. Box both sides. This time I'm going to start with the left. 30 minus 3. Do a little borrowing. 27. So if this box weighs 27, this box has to weigh 27. I'm just counting by 3s. How many 3s to get me to 27? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. 9 of them. These kind of problems also work to box both sides. Sometimes people just want, weight's bigger, so I know that side's bigger. No, it's not. It's not always. Especially when I make them, because I'm going to try to trick you. So I'm boxing both sides. 3 times 8, I'm counting by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. And 4 times 6, I want to count by 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Oh, they have to be equal this time. Very tricky. Box both sides. 5 times 7. I count out as 35. 6 stacks of 6 toothpicks. 36. So you can see, even though 7 was bigger, 6 times 6 was larger than 7 times 5. Now, down here, I think people could do this one really fast. 35 times 0. 1 times 1. Did not matter that 35, this could have been an infinity out here. And 1 times 1 still would have been larger. Box both sides. 7 times 3 is 21. 4 times 5 is 20. So 7 times 3 is larger. On these kind of problems, I'm just really, when you see this 4 times something equals 12, it's like, how many 4s in 12? So I'm counting by 4s. 4, 8, 12. 11. How many 3s to get to 18? If you need to write them down like this so you can count later, go ahead. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Besides that, if the 3s came up again, I would already have that much of it done. 5 times something equals 45. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. 9 of them. And then 6 times something equals 24. Ooh. We did the 6th sum. I'm having a hard time with that one. Just start going by 6s. 6 plus 6 is 12. I know that. 12 plus 6, 18. Not there yet. 18 plus 6, 14, 24. There it is. So I use 1, 2, 3, 4 6s. Answer I get when I multiply is the product. The numbers I multiply together are called the factors. They live in the family of facts. We're learning our basic multiplication facts. Like when you do 5 times 4, that's a fact. So what are the factors of 24? Easiest way is I know 1 times something is going to equal 24. It's going to be my number. This number's even, so I know 2 times something is going to work. So I may have to count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Oh, there's 12 of them. try threes because I'm pretty sure I say number 24 when I count by threes. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Oh, so that would have been 8 of them. I think I say it when I roll with my oars for my fours. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Yep, 4 times 6. The only number left after 4 is 5, and I know it can't be a 5 because this does not end with a 5 or a 0. Product of 8 and 4. Product's the answer I get when I multiply, so I'm really just doing 8 times 4. You're not sure yet. Don't remember the 4 song? I could do this and write 4 8s. 8 plus 8, 16. So 16 plus 16, 32. How many legs on 3 spiders? Okay, so how many legs does a spider have? 8. So we're doing 3 times 8. You don't remember the 3 song? I could draw this out. Just give me 3 spiders. They don't have to look pretty. And I'm just drawing the legs. And I just count them up. He's got 8, he's got 8, he's got 8. 8, 16, 24. 32 wheels in the parking lot. How many cars are there? My cars are going to look a lot like my spiders. So I'm just going to make them round, and here's my wheels. Because the car has 4 wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to keep going until I get to 32. So I was at 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm just putting the number in there in case I forget where I'm at. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So now I just count how many cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cars. Show 4 times 3 is repeated addition 2 different ways. So 4 times 3 means 4 groups of 3. So I could go 4 threes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or if I do the reverse and switch them around, it's 3 fours. 4, 4, 4. Answer is 5 times 8 equals 40 tentacles. What's the question? Well, I see tentacles, and there's only one animal I know that has tentacles. Octopuses, or octopi, plural can be said either way. Each one of them has 8 tentacles. So, I know this is going to be the 8 is going to be for my octopus, and the 5 is going to be how many I have. So the easiest thing to do here is just how many tentacles on 5 octopi, or on 5 octopuses. Go to this one. 6 times 3 equals 18 sides. So I know I need sides in my answer. Do you know anything that has 3 sides? Triangles. So, how many sides on 6 triangles? That's the one way I could have went. Ooh, what if I went with 6 sides instead of 3 sides? 6-sided shape is a hexagon. So I could have had how many sides on 3 hexagons? Last one, we got 24 legs. So do you know something that has 4 legs? All kinds of mammals, dogs, cats, horses, cows, lions, tigers. So I just need 6 of them. Pick whatever you want. How many legs on 6 lions? Let's go this way. Is there anything that has 6 legs? All the insects do, especially ants. So how many legs on 4